Yes, hello, good afternoon, Miss Jiska. How are you?
Hello, good afternoon, Mister.
Yes, how are you? Are you okay, Miss Jiska?
Uh, I'm fine. Thank you, Mister.
Okay, okay, nice to see you again. Okay, Miss Jiska, and also Miss Eka. Hello, how are you? Good afternoon,
I'm
Miss Eka.
fine.
Okay,
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon.
yes. Okay, so let's join the class again. Yeah, actually, this afternoon we will discuss about this. We'll discuss about this because this is also reliant with lockdown in Jakarta. Yeah, this is about Boris Johnson pinning hopes on 100 billion pounds sterling moonsuit to avoid second lockdown. Moonsuit is the organization. Is the organization. Yeah, so this organization has the mission to get the European freedom from the COVID-19. Okay, so I need Miss Tiska, please read the title, please, Miss Tiska. Yes.
Okay. Boris Johnson pinning hopes on 100 billion
Yeah.
pound sterling moonshot to avoid second lockdown.
Yes. Okay, good. Yeah, so who is Boris Johnson, Miss Tiska? Who is Boris Johnson?
Hmm, Perdana Menteri ya?
Yes, Boris Johnson is the Prime Minister, the Britain Prime Minister. Yes, so he is the Boris Johnson, the Britain Prime Minister. Okay, so the title meaning, do you understand about the meaning of the title, Miss Tiska? You understand what the meaning of the title?
Ya,
Yes, that's Boris Johnson pinning hopes, yang the meaning menggantungkan harapan on 100 billion pound sterling pada 100 miliar pound sterling moonshot ke organisasi moonshot to avoid second lockdown untuk menghindari lockdown kedua. So Prime Minister believe Perdana Menteri percaya huge rapid testing program is only hope. Program testing rapid test, program rapid test besar, huge, the meaning is besar, huge, is only hope, hanya harapan. Before a vaccine, sebelum vaksin, leak document says, sebelum vaksin di approve, disetujui. Okay, so this is also the opinions probably. What is no tense moonshot COVID testing plan and is it feasible? Feasible is layak, meaning it's layak, feasible. Yeah, so this is Boris Johnson, the Britain Prime Minister. Okay, this is the first paragraph. Boris Johnson believes a mass testing program is our only hope for avoiding a second national lockdown before a vaccine. According to leaked official documents setting out plans for Operation Moonshot. Okay, so Prime Minister believes a mass testing program is our only hope. Testing, program testing massal adalah hanya harapan kita for avoiding a second national lockdown, untuk menghindari lockdown nasional yang kedua. Something like that. So before a vaccine. According to leaked official document, berdasarkan kebocoran official documents, dokumen resmi, setting out plans yang men-setting perencanaan, setting perencanaan for operation moonshot, untuk operasi moonshot, organisasi moonshot. Okay, so Miss Diska, please read again the second paragraph, please. Miss Diska, the second paragraph. I need you to read the second paragraph, Miss Diska.
Okay.
Yes.
The Prime Minister is said to be pinning his hopes on a project that would deliver up to 10 tests a day, even though the current testing regime is struggling to
Struggling.
deliver.
Regime is struggling. Regime is
Regime,
struggling. Yes.
regime is struggling
Yes.
to deliver a fraction of that number and is beset by problems.
Yes. Okay. So the Prime Minister is said the pinning hopes, yeah, on a project that would deliver up to 10 million tests a day. Yeah, this is really, yeah, really incredible. Benar-benar incredible, ya, luar biasa. And the Prime Minister said to be pinning, mengharapkan atau menggantungkan his hope, harapannya on a project, di sebuah project that would deliver up, yang akan melakukan atau deliver up, yang akan menjembatani, ya, to 10 million tests a day, untuk melakukan tes, ya, sebanyak 10 juta tes dalam sehari. 10 juta tes dalam sehari. Even talk, ya, meskipun the current testing regime is struggling, ya, the current testing regime itu rezim, meaning rezim actually. Regime is a rezim. Ini adalah aturan hidup, ya, rezim itu aturan hidup. Is struggling, penuh perjuangan, ya, struggling, berjuang, ya, to deliver a fraction of that number, ya, untuk membawa a fraction, pembagian dengan jumlah itu, and is based by problems, dan itu ya pastinya juga ada based by problems, ya, ada masalah, is based by problems, pasti ditangani dengan masalah, ya, karena atau ditimpa masalah, ya, seperti ditimpa. Ya, kalau melakukan tes sehari sebanyak 10 juta tes, dilakukan 10 juta tes dalam satu hari, ya, itu sangat berjuang untuk membagi bagian-bagiannya atau petugas-petugasnya untuk melakukan 10 tes, ya, sehari. Fraction itu artinya bagian, fraction, ya. Dan ini pasti ditimpa oleh masalah, ya, kalau melakukan tes sebanyak itu, something like that. So, yeah, this is actually almost impossible, one day, for avoiding the second lockdown. Yeah, so the Britain government, yeah, must do 10 million tests a day. So this is actually almost impossible. Yeah. So the documents say the mass population testing plans could cost, ya, bisa cost dengan biaya 100 billion pound sterling, 100 miliar pound sterling. The equivalence, ini sama halnya, equivalence, the meaning is sama dengan equivalence to the UK's entire education budgets, yaitu sama dengan budget pendidikan seluruh UK, United Kingdoms. United Kingdoms itu negaranya ada 3 bagian. Yang pertama adalah Britain, yaitu Inggris Raya atau Great Britain kita bilang. Kemudian yang kedua adalah Scotland. Kemudian yang ketiga adalah Northern Ireland, Irlandia Utara. Itu adalah negara bagian UK. Nah, kalau mereka mau melakukan tes, ya, sehari sebanyak 10 juta tes, nah itu biayanya sama dengan 100 miliar pound sterling. Biayanya untuk melakukan tes itu. 100 miliar pound sterling, sekitar 15 triliun ya, kira segitu. Yaitu biayanya itu sama dengan budget pendidikan di seluruh Inggris, ya, di seluruh UK. So this is actually you must have the actually expensive costs to do that. So yeah, Mr. Okay, Miss Eka, please read this paragraph, please, Miss Eka. If deliver the Moonshots program, deliver the Moonshot program, please. Yes.
If delivered, the Moonshot program would be unprecedented in scale and, as reflected by its name, is considered by some officials to be at the outer level of possibility.
Yes.
Some of the technology it would require does not yet exist.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ms. Eka. That's enough. Yes, that's good. So, if deliver the Moonshots programs, ya, jika deliver the Moonshots programs, ya, the meaning is agree ya, with the Moonshot program, would be unprecedented in scale. Tidak akan unprecedented, tidak unprecedented, tidak terprediksi in scale, dalam skalanya, and as reflected by its names, dan sebagaimana kembali ke namanya, yaitu Moonshot, it considered by some official. Kalau considering itu mempertimbangkan, kalau consider berarti dipertimbangkan. Ya, dipertimbangkan by some official, oleh beberapa petugas, to be at the outer level of possibility. Ya, ke level out, ya, keluar, yang lebih keluar dari level kemungkinan. Jadi ini tidak mungkin gitu maksudnya. Sudah keluar dari level kemungkinan, sudah keluar ya, out, keluar, outer, lebih keluar lagi gitu. Ini udah keluar dari kemungkinan. Jadi ini impossible untuk melakukan hal seperti ini. Moonshots, program yang Moonshot ini adalah impossible. Ya, ini tidak bisa diprediksi dalam skalanya. Kalau akan membebaskan Uni Eropa dari bebas COVID-19, tetapi harus melakukan tes ya, sehari 10 juta tes, ini nggak bisa diprediksi dalam skalanya. Dan dikembalikan lagi ke namanya, Moonshot, moon bulan, shoot menembak bulan. Jadi possible, orang-orang bilang gitu. So is considered by some official, dan dipertimbangkan oleh petugas to be at the outer level of possibility. Yeah, so some of the technology it will require does not yet exist. Beberapa teknologi yang dipersyaratkan tidak juga ada. Yang belum juga ada. Exist, meaning it's ada. Ini teknologi untuk melakukan tes ya sebanyak itu, untuk persyaratan melakukan tes 10 million test a day, itu belum juga ada teknologinya yang bisa mengcover itu teknologinya itu. Karena sangat banyak, kalau sehari bisa melakukan 10 juta tes. Contohnya Jakarta aja penduduknya kalau siang hari ada 12 juta, kemudian malam hari 8 juta, besok paginya 12 juta lagi, seperti itu. Nah, itu ibaratnya harus mengetes seluruh penduduk Jakarta. Itu impossible untuk mengatur orang sebanyak itu dalam sehari. 10 juta penduduk. So that's impossible. So something like that. Yeah, so and the technology also does not yet exist. Ya, belum juga ada. Detail of the Moonshot proposal emerged as Johnson on Wednesday urged people to abide by new restriction that outlaw gathering of more than 6 people indoor and out, and said they were imperative if the country was to avoid further tightening of the rules. Yeah, this is also the proposal of Munchut. Yes, detail of the Munchut proposal emerged as Johnson. Emergency, yeah, as Johnson on Wednesday urged people to abide. Abide, abide itu apa? Melarang, abiding. Abide melarang by new restriction that outlaw gathering, bahwa akan melanggar hukum. Gathering, ya, outlaw itu artinya keluar dari hukum, artinya melanggar hukum. Gathering of more than 6 people, berkumpul-kumpul lebih dari 6 orang, indoors and out, ya, termasuk indoors di dalam ruangan atau di luar ruangan. Jadi kalau di Inggris waktu itu sudah muncul peraturan yang minggu lalu, kalau kita berkumpul lebih dari 6 orang itu sudah melanggar hukum. Seperti itu. Meskipun di rumah, ya di rumah lebih dari 6 orang, ya berarti sudah melanggar hukum, harus dibatasi atau mungkin harus dipisah ruangannya, seperti itu. Okay. And said they were imperative if the country was to avoid further tightening of the rules. Yeah, imperative. So what is the meaning of imperative actually? Yes. And they were imperative. Yeah, imperative. Mr. Hamid, what's imperative actually? Imperative. Imperative, the meaning is sangat penting. Sangat penting. Yeah, imperative is sangat penting. And said, dan dikatakan they were imperative, mereka sangat penting if the country was to avoid, jika negaranya menghindari further tightening of the rules, pengetatan, atau tightening itu pengetatan, further lebih jauh, of the rules, hukum-hukum, pengetatan apa peraturan yang lebih jauh. Jadi ini penting untuk mematuhi peraturan ini, ya. Jika negaranya ya tidak ingin melakukan pengetatan yang lebih jauh lagi, negara Inggris itu maksudnya. Jadi tidak boleh melakukan kumpul-kumpul ya lebih dari 6 orang. Ya ini diumumkan langsung, nanti bisa dilihat, nanti saya share ini informasinya ini di WhatsApp group. Ya ini videonya diumumkan langsung oleh Prime Minister of Britain, Boris Johnson. So he said, when you are gathering more than 6 people, so you breaking the law, break the law, melanggar hukum. And when you in the park, you gathering with more than 6 people, so the police will catch. Dia bilang seperti itu juga dalam pengumumannya. Jika kalian di taman berkumpul-kumpul lebih dari 6 orang, maka polisi akan menangkap. Otomatis ditangkap oleh polisi. Ada sanksi hukumnya. Seperti itu. Kalau berkumpul lebih dari 6 orang. Ini diumumkan langsung oleh Boris Johnson. Dan di bawah ini adalah dokumen Munchut yang proposalnya, proposal Munchut. Urges people to abide new restrictions. Juga di sini gawat darurat, yaitu melarang orang-orang untuk berkumpul tidak lebih dari 6 orang. Okay, so I will read this. In a gloomy assessment of the deteriorating positions, ya, gloomy, berkembang, bunganya berkembang gloom. In a gloomy assessment, ya, di penilaian, ya, di sebuah penilaian yang berkembang, of the deteriorating position, di posisi deteriorate paling buruk. Deteriorating adalah buruk, bad position, adalah posisi yang buruk. England Chief Medical Officer, kepala petugas kesehatan Inggris, Profesor Chris Whitty, said the recent rise in positive cases, ya, peningkatan kasus positif saat ini was a matter of huge concern, adalah masalah yang berkenaan dengan masalah yang besar. Concerns itu berkenaan, perihal concerns. huge, besar, berkenaan dengan masalah yang besar. Jadi dalam sebuah penilaian yang berkembang dari posisi yang buruk, yaitu dari posisi yang buruk artinya, yaitu sudah dikatakan oleh pemerintah Inggris bahwa yaitu Profesor Chris Whitty bilang bahwa peningkatan kasus saat ini adalah berkenaan dengan masalah yang besar. Kalau saat ini ada peningkatan kasus berarti ada hubungannya dengan masalah yang besar. So, something like that. Because rules, anything already regulated, already ruled. Peraturan sudah diatur, sudah diumumkan, already announced, yaitu berkumpul tidak boleh lebih dari 6 orang. They cannot gathering more than 6 people, something like that. This is also the rules. So when it still has the increase of cases, so this is also huge, huge matter, something like that. Yeah, okay, so I think one paragraph again, this is, so we will get the conclusion. I will ask to Ms. Tiska. Ms. Tiska, please read this paragraph, please, the last paragraph, please. Ms. Tiska.
Okay.
Yes.
With the testing system already under hook, trying and accusing the government of incompetence, the Prime Minister used his press conference to set out the bare bones of the moonshot plan, which he claimed would allow people to lead more normal life.
Yes. Okay, good. Thank you. Normal. Yes, normal lives. Yeah, normal lives. Daily lives. Okay. So that's good. Yeah. With the testing system already under huge strain. Yeah, system tests already under huge strain. Sudah under huge strain. Di bawah keanehan yang besar. Di bawah keanehan yang besar. Strain aneh. And critic accusing, dan kritik menuduh, kritik menuduh the government of incompetence, pemerintahan tidak incompetence, tidak mampu, incompetence. The Prime Minister used his press conference. Perdana Menteri menggunakan his press conference, press conference-nya, konferensi persnya, to set out the bare bones of the moonshot plans, untuk merencanakan, mengatur the bare bones. Bare bones itu frames, rancangan. Kalau di British menjadi bare bones, artinya frames, rancangannya, istilahnya rancangan. Di bare bones itu bare bones itu kan tulang-tulangnya, gitu kan, artinya rancangannya, untuk merancang rancangan dari moonshot plans, perencanaan moonshot plans, which he claimed, yang mana dia mengklaim, would allow people, akan allow people to live more normal lives. Akan artinya mengatur orang to lead more normal life, untuk memimpin more normal life, ke kehidupan yang normal, lebih untuk memimpin lebih kepada kehidupan yang normal. Artinya Perdana Menteri percaya kalau moonshot plan ini, dia mengklaim itu berarti mengakui bahwa moonshot programs, this is will lead more people normal life, akan mengatur orang, memimpin orang-orang kembali ke hidup normal. The meaning is like that. Jadi so this is about the moonshot. It will make the England, especially England, will get free from the COVID-19, like that. But they must have testing, almost impossible testing, because a day they must do 10 million tests, 10 million tests a day, 10 million tests a day. So this is almost impossible. So really difficult to to make a fractions for 10 million tests a day. Fraction pembagian, fraksi. So something like that. Okay, so I think we already got the conclusion. We already got the conclusion from this. Okay, this is also the challenge actually. Yeah, okay, so furthermore, you can see the news that I will share to the WhatsApp group after this learning. Okay, so I will ask to Miss Jiska about the conclusions. Yeah, actually, this is also related with the second lockdown in Jakarta, and this is also related. Yeah. This is in England, Britain. Yeah. Britain governor actually desperately, mati-matian, desperately avoid the second lockdown. But Jakarta already done for the lockdown. Sudah dilakukan lockdown Jakarta for the second lockdown, for the second lockdown. Okay, so Miss Jiska, what is your opinion about this news and its relation to the lockdown in Jakarta, Miss Jiska?
I think the Prime Minister believed that the program, the apa Moonshot,
Which
can
program? Yes. Correct.
can avoid apa sih avoid the
Second lockdown, second national lockdown.
lockdown, and he believed that the Moonshot can be apa or let all lead all people more apa tadi ya more better
Yes.
life
Yes. More normal life.
better lah
Yes, normal life.
ya normal.
Yes. Okay. So, this is so what?
So
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
but I think the plan Moonshot is apa ya unbelief because
Impossible. Impossible.
yeah impossible because a day must testing 10 billion
10
a
million.
day.
Yes, 10 million tests a day.
A day.
Yes, so this is almost
I think
impossible.
impossible.
Because also the technology, yes, Mrs. Gat, because also the technology also doesn't exist until now. Okay, it's the technology actually. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, also the technology doesn't yet exist. Yeah. Some of the technology, for refire, that's test. Yeah. Yes, so doesn't exist till now. So this is almost impossible. That's good. This is good. So what? Actually, what's this? What's connection of this to the lockdown in Jakarta, Mr. What's connection between this to the lockdown in Jakarta? So what's the line of this to lockdown in Jakarta?
Apa ya?
Yes, in your opinion. So what is connection or reliant? Yes,
Technology does not yet exist.
yes. So how about lockdown in Jakarta, Ms. Diska? What is your
I think
opinion? Yes.
uh, apa ya, the more lebih
Okay, please.
lebih parah ya, apa sih, kayak more
Safer is the part. Safer,
uh, more
safer,
safer than
safer.
last month, before first
Before the
lockdown.
second, yeah, before the
Yeah,
second lockdown. Okay, yeah.
because I think this citizen free go to anywhere, so uh, doesn't care about the pandemic, so I think more safer.
Oh, safer, lebih aman, safer, yeah, safer. Kalau parah, safer, yeah, safer. S A
Safer.
V A R A, yes, yes, safer, lebih parah. Oke, lebih parah or lebih aman, Miss Diska? Lebih parah.
Lebih parah, I
Yes,
think
so savior,
more
yeah, savior, yeah, savior, yeah.
safe.
Okay, it's more savior in this condition. Okay, good, because many people also they don't care, yeah, about this pandemic. Yeah, so yeah, the condition more severe. Yeah, so increase COVID-19 victims day by day. So the governor and the Jakarta governor announced for the second lockdown. Okay, that's good. So this is also reliance. Yeah, but when we connect this, yeah, between the Britain's governments desperately mati-matian to avoid the second lockdown. Yeah, but the Jakarta governor, yeah, he doesn't have any way, punya cara. He doesn't have any way to avoid the second lockdown. So he made the decision because yeah, increasing of victims day by day, yeah, and also SOR yang melonjak. Okay. And actually last night and 2 days ago, we also had some opinion, yeah, with other participants that some of them they didn't agree with the second lockdown in Jakarta because they thought that second lockdown would be, yeah, make the economic problems like that, because Jakarta is the capital city of Indonesia, something like that. Okay, we got the point already. So this is more savior, 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 savior. Savior, the meaning is parah. Okay, so Miss Eka, do you have any opinion, Miss Eka, about this, Miss Eka, for this news?
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Think I have the same opinion with Rizka, but I want to a little bit to adding the conclusion. Uh, PM Boris Johnson believes a mass testing program is hope can avoid a second national lockdown before a vaccine.
Yes.
Because for testing program need cost about 100 billion pound sterling.
Yes.
That is equivalent with education budget in UK. Yes, right. I think it's impossible because for testing vaccine, very impossible that in one day if if need 10 million people for
Yes.
testing
Yes.
because because if the testing is the trial testing is fail, there is impact for the personnel who do the testing.
Mm.
So I think for person who trial testing need only uh, 15 to 200 people for testing massal.
For mass testing, okay.
Yeah,
15
because
to 200 people.
if,
Okay. Okay.
because we don't know what's the effect for the vaccine if uh, there is indicate file or no.
Okay. Yes. Okay, that's good. So yeah, you already understood actually mistake. Okay. Yeah, this is impossible. Yeah, because the testing also, yeah, not so many people like that, like 10 million tests a day, because also will have the effect, yeah, to the people or to the persons like that. Yeah, for normally for mass testing, yeah, that is between 15 until 200 people. Okay,
Yes.
so that's good. And okay, this is impossible actually for the cost and also the testing. And okay, so what is the reliant with the Jakarta second lockdown mistake for this? What is the reliant for the second
Yes,
lockdown in Jakarta?
yes, as per I said before that Indonesian people is apa? Pintar. We say wosi ya.
Yes, we say
We
Wosi.
yes.
Yes, that's correct.
That they are thinking that new normal is same with normal activity. So after the government say about new normal, they think that for use mask and then washing hand, it's noted again. So they forget about it. And then why Jakarta do the second lockdown because Indonesian people is wisi so the pandemic so very apa ya parah tadi
Savior, Savior, Savior.
ever again.
Yes, Savior. Savior is a part. Yes, okay.
Yes.
Yes, understood. Yeah, understood. That's really good point. Yeah, so many Indonesian people, they were, what, yes, actually they are, we say, wasi, clean plants, or they talk that new normal, yeah, it's the same activity. Okay, so yeah, they do like the same activity. So yeah, the results, this outbreak is increased again. Yeah, so that's good. Okay, so I think this enough. So Mr. Hamid, do you understand actually? Yeah, I think this enough. Okay, see you again for next meeting, Miss Eka and Miss Diska. And yeah, I will share this news, yeah, to the WhatsApp group so you can see and read this news and later at later time. Yeah, I will send later today. So thank you, Miss Eka. Thank you, Miss Diska, for this meeting.
Thank you, Mr.
Yeah, see you again
Bisa.
tomorrow. Yeah, Assalamualaikum.
Okay. Thank you. Waalaikumsalam. Bye.